Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Din and I've been asked to show you how to make chips. So basically I'm going to show you the process of making chips, freezing them and having them ready whenever you want. So first you need a friend or wife to give you a hand to peel the potatoes. While one peels, the other one can chop. Once all the potatoes are peeled, then start chopping. I use a crinkly cutter to make the chips crinkly, so whatever you fancy, either knife or a cutter like what I'm doing, and cut the chips up and immediately put them in cold water and leave them while you're waiting to cut the rest. Once this is done, then basically put it in your basket, leave it for a couple of minutes before you put it into your fryer so the water drains. At this stage, be very careful because the oil could be very hot, so put it in gently and watch the bubbles because it could bubble over. So as soon as it's ready, just put it in and leave it to fry. Don't move it after you've put it in because you shouldn't move it for at least 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, then give it a little shake to move the potato chips around, and then leave it for another 5 to 8 minutes. And then once they're half cooked, take them out. Once the oil is drained, then put them on another tray. Line the tray with some kitchen towel and let it cool down the chips before you put it in the basket, which you're going to put in the freezer. Then the following day, what you want to do is take all the chips out of the freezer and packet them into small packages and take each package out when you require them. This is the great way to make chips and when you're in a rush to fry your own chips. I used to make a lot of chips when I used to run my restaurant back in the 80s, and they used to go really well. So try them. Best potatoes to use is Maris Piper potatoes or King Edwards. Any other potato I've never used, so try to make these chips and tell me what you think in the comments. Well, that's it for today. It's not a lot I've taught you today, but it's a method that works, and let me know what you think.